Hey friends, Kevin here with our Mueller electric kettle. We've had this thing for a couple of years and love it. The lights are nice, big, easy to fill top, and one simple button, on and off. So you fill it up, you set it on its stand, you hit the button. Couldn't be simpler. But one thing I've never done is test this to see how fast it actually is, so we're going to find out together. Now, I filled this thing up to the max line with cold water, and the temperature of this water is about 58 degrees. So we're going to start our little timer, turn this thing on. Let's see what it does. $198. So yeah, this thing just works. I think at this point we're overkill because we're at 200 degrees plus and a rolling boil now. And you can see it just cut itself off at this point. And now it's going to calm back down. It will stay warm, hot, for quite a long period of time. Now for me, generally about the 5-minute mark, that's about where I need it heat-wise. But like I said, you can take this all the way up, depending on what kind of drinks you're making, what you're doing with it. And I hope this helps you out as far as deciding if this may be the right product for your home or as a gift for someone else.